Halo teman-teman, hari ini kita punya banyak mainan. Wadidaw, it's so cool. Let's go, kita merakit semua mainan-mainan ini. Ayo merakit, let's go.
This is a toy racing car. This car is a police car with a racing model design, and the color is red.
Okay guys, next, second toys. Wow, it's so good. I like it.
This is a police car. The police car has been designed in the form of a sports car, and the color of the police sports car is diamond white.
Look at this guys. Let's go.
This is a Marvel superhero. This character's name is War Machine. War Machine is a friend of Iron Man, and the color of War Machine is black.
Look, this superhero. Wow.
This is a superhero from DC Comics. This character is Batman, the crime buster at night who is seldom active during the day. This is a sedan. This car is a military police car belonging to the Indonesian Navy unit. This military police car is white in color. This is a truck, a goods transport truck that makes it easier for humans to transport goods to very remote locations. The color of this truck is red and white. This is Optimus Prime, a character in Transformers as well as a leader of the Autobot troop. Optimus Prime is a truck robot identical to the colors blue and red.
Wow, look at friends. This is Optimus Prime. Wadidaw, it's so cool. Mantap. Oke teman-teman, sampai di sini dulu ya teman-teman. Kita sudah merakit semua mainan-mainan ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Bye bye bye.